take your calls now. So I have a comment here from one of my comrade friends. Follow the report and the process. The DI reports to the commissioners and operates under the Integrity Commission Act. He could make no recommendation for the referral. This is not right, you know. He did. The DI recommended the referral, and this is part of the problem when you have a report that is so large that we're not reading. We're not reading. See there? 6.23. The DI recommends that a copy of this report be referred to the FID for necessary investigation to be conducted. So my friend is telling me that the DI couldn't make the referral. The DI did recommend it. And the DI having recommended it, the commissioner, the chairman, asked in the special report, in the letter, asked Parliament to support the recommendation for the referral to the integrity, to the FID. That's how it happened. And this is why I tell you this matter has to go to the court, because we need to have the court lay out how these things are really supposed to work. So Parliament passed the law, but it's up to the court to interpret how the Director of Information and Complaints is supposed to work. Whether the Director of Complaints can refuse to verify statutory declarations, can refuse certification of the statutory declarations because the DI says he doesn't have enough for unlawful or illicit enrichment, but he didn't get enough because the Prime Minister wasn't forthcoming with expenses. Within the context where, in a letter quoted where the Prime Minister sent, the Prime Minister said his attorneys took objection to something. If you are in any quasi or judicial proceedings and an objection is taken, we have to understand, how is this objection sorted? Was there a hearing with the attorneys where the objection taken by the attorneys, the commissioners sat and they adjudicated and they said, no, we've heard your objections, but we've ruled that the form in which we're asking for the expenses to be submitted, that is an appropriate form, never mind what is stated in this particular schedule in the law. They have to resolve the issue of the objection within the context so we can know how it goes. But I look forward to the testing. But that is my legal brain. The political brain is seeing something different for the Prime Minister and the JLP. 876-926-2178, 926-8631. Let me start with toll free this morning, out of the blue.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Chief.
Wait, how are you?
Not too bad, man.
Is who, Milton?
No, man, it's me, Wilson.
Wilson?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I was downtown in the week here, and I saw where they are cleaning up outside the St. William Grant walkway.
Mm-hmm.
And the workers, them, some of them is wearing slippers.
Mm-hmm.
I am calling on this new mayor application to give these guys some protective gear, man. You can't have people wash down the dirty park.
But did you ask the people? No, did you ask them whether they got gear and refused from wearing?
Come again?
Did you ask the people who had the slippers on if they were provided with gear by the KSAMC and refused to wear it?
I didn't ask them because I know if they may have gear.
No, you can't say that, Wilson. I see even the truck, the garbage truck people.
Yeah.
Have the gloves in them hand, take it off, and decide to go touch the garbage with their bare hands. So I think we have to find out, one, whether these people were authorized by the KSAMC. Two, if they were authorized, were they given protective gear? And three, did they choose not to wear it?
I think some 3 years ago it happened same way now. The PNP government implied some people to clean out manhole. And they didn't have no gear. People for serious, man. You can't have people, human being working without gear. They can get germs and lose them foot, you know.
Yes, that's true. Which is why I think, especially in this time when people photograph and video everything, that KCMC, if it puts anybody out to work, it will appropriately equip them for it. People may have taken the work on by themselves, or they may have had gear and don't use it. So we have to find out first. But I do appreciate the concern.
And another thing, I see where they are cleaning up downtown. The other day, I see a hockey tree. A hockey tree, bearing hockey tree, you know. And they dig out the hockey tree and throw it and plant in some flowers. I think them should allow the like hockey tree and fruit tree and everything there now. Allow them what I think it's foolishness to dig out the hockey tree where a beer or somebody can get some apple to eat.
Well,
And take it and throw away and plant in flowers where they have no food.
well, it depends.
Eh?
If the ackee tree is the roots are so large that they're causing the walkway.
No man, but the hockey tree wasn't causing a problem.
Oh,
It was in a section there. But then just dig out the thing and plant in some flowers.
thank you for the call. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right, take care. 926-8631. Hello.
Hello, morning.
Hi, welcome. Who is this?
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the hotline. Who is this? 8631, you're on the hotline. Can you hear me?
Hi, morning, Mrs. Shields. How are you doing?
Not too bad, thank you. You?
Wading through the waters here on the road.
Yes, just be careful.
Yeah, trying. I have a problem though, Mrs. Shields. This report that is out.
Who am I talking to?
My name is Curtis.
Curtis.
Yes. Now, we heard that there were six people at first, then 8. Now, how come we are only getting word on one person who's the prime minister? Where are the rest of the people who were brought forward for illicit enrichment?
What do you think?
But I think they disappeared. Somebody snapped the finger and they disappeared.
No, they haven't disappeared. The investigations are clearly they must be going on.
Yeah, but if you are doing an investigation for 8 people, why not wait until you're finished with your 8 percentage?
No, the problem, Curtis, and I've been saying this for years now, the mistake that is being made is that the Integrity Commission in the annual report, which is a report on general operation of the Commission, singled out for publication that it's investigating 6 at the time parliamentarians for investigation into illicit enrichment.
Yes.
And I believe there are 50 odd public servants. These public servants can come from any ministry, department, agency you do not know. But the parliamentary class is so limited that when they talk about parliamentarians, and I believe they say it wasn't senators, so you look to the 63 in the House. And that is where the error was committed first. Let me take a break. Yes, Curtis.
Yes.
You have to put your windows up and perhaps use an earpiece because I'm not getting the sound as clearly as I want. I realize you're driving and it's good that you're on Bluetooth, but the sound is a bit scattered.
I'm using my Bluetooth.
Right. But put your windows up for me and let's see if it's better.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you hearing me better now?
Keep talking.
Hello?
Yes, keep talking. Curtis?
Yes. Yeah, I'm here.
Yes. So that I think is where the first blunder came. And I've been telling the people here it is not right that there is such specificity around one class of individuals. So the moment that was put out there, the opposition started asking about the so-called illicit six. And then we've had an update now to hear it has moved from 6 to 8. I think I lost Curtis, but good because the sound wasn't so good. Call me back in a better time. But as to what has happened, when you look at the work that they say they do for the Prime Minister and the number of people who were called in for questioning, investigation, interviews and so forth, then you should see that it really will take a lot of time. I only hope in relation to the others that if they find that they can't do something well, they don't publish a report putting information out for people to interpret in all kinds of ways. They get the competent authorities to cooperate with them. 9262178. Hello?
Hi, good morning, Mr. Shields.
John.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am giving thanks.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Shields, before I go into my broadside, let me just offer my condolences, Mr. Shields, to the families of that little baby who died from very technical.
Yes.
Mr. Shields, it is so sad. So much of our children are going home by accidents and other means. The future of Jamaica is being eroded by violence and accidents.
Mm-hmm.
And we just pray that the Holy Spirit will comfort them. It will be a very hard time. Sometimes you just got to family people here and just sit down silent. Don't say a word. Because the grief towards me very heavy.
Mm-hmm.
So we offer our condolences, Mr. Shields.
Yes.
Mr. Shields, you know, I am so happy that this report has come out. We need to know what our Prime Minister is doing. Mr. Shields,
What has our Prime Minister been doing?
I want to tell you, Mr. Shields.
Make sure. Hang on a second.
Mm-hmm.
You will make no conclusions on this charity. No, you won't do that. If you want to make conclusions, you're gonna go to social media where you have unbridled use of that space. Not here.
So,
the director of investigation was investigating for nearly a year and a half and didn't come to any conclusions on the charity. You will not be at liberty to come to any conclusions.
So the Shields, in the report that was after the Intel Commission cited something wrong with the charity that the Prime Minister tried to fix it.
What do you mean he cited something wrong with the charity?
What they're saying is that he has used money from that charity to buy bonds.
Yes.
And it was after the Intel Commission spoke to him about it.
Yes.
After 4 years.
That he spoke to the establishment. Yes, I saw that.
Look here. A charity is not supposed to be used for personal gain.
But John, remember now.
As a criminal act on the charity.
John, hang on a second.
Yes, it is.
The airwaves in Jamaica are owned by the government of Jamaica. We operate under a license. So I appreciate you telling me what is in the report, but I guide you to say that the Commissioner of Investigation says, having regard to the questions, they recommend that the matter is investigated by FID, and you leave it there. Do not come to any conclusions because they couldn't conclude on it.
All right, let me continue to be investigated by FID. But let me say something. And you know, like your comment this morning, it's a very messy affair.
And
for our chief minister, our chief servant, to be tied up in this light, very messy. It does not look good. No matter if it win case or not, it does not look good. It spells doom and doom for this Prime Minister. It should never have been wrapped up. It should be above board. No at all, no question should be in his finances and his
No. The questions can be there. The Integrity Commission has the power to find the answers.
And then when the Indian Congress is going to tell us that he wasn't forthcoming.
No, I don't put any store on that. And why I don't put any store on it, and I say this, if a lawyer takes an objection to a client providing something, and you probably watch cases in the court all the time, lawyers will say, witness, don't answer that question, and they take an objection. What happens? No, hold on a second. No, John, it may not matter to you. That's why I said to you, there's an interplay. You can laugh all you want. There is an interplay between legal and political. I've given my views on both sides. And in fact, I don't know legally how it will turn out. All I know is that I think there's enough legal meat in here for the court to decide. So politically, I understand where you are coming from and the point you want to get through.
Do you realize, that since 2016, this Jamaica party has lost almost one case alone and said court and win it. Every other case they lose. Every other case they lose. You want to tell me those eminent former legal legal minds, legal luminaries who are in the Interior Commission would make it an error? They know what they are doing.
Okay.
You see, this bank account this bank account. That was open.
Which bank account?
Bank account at NCB.
This is the one that the Director of Corruption Prosecution ruled on?
With $0.
No, John,
NCB.
John, this is the problem. This is the problem. You're not going to try the matter here. There are too many things in here. Too many things.
I love yes. Oh, the ending of the Prime Minister.
Well, you can say that.
Because
it's a good thing. I don't really care what your views are on my position. Do you know, hang on a second, John, do you know there's a young lady who brought a claim against Julian Robinson? And Julian was being hauled over the coals on social media and by some public commentators. And it never dissuaded me from looking at the matter and coming to the view that how the matter was being done legally, it is inappropriate and it wouldn't amount to anything. Do you know, hang on a second, do you know that when the Integrity Commission made a finding against Peter Bunting as Minister of National Security concerning the FLA, a conclusion which was completely unmerited based on the substance of the report, that I was probably one of the only people who said the Integrity Commission could not legitimately have come to that conclusion. In other words, John,
because you have seen that they were above board.
Who was above board?
Comet Bunting and Comet Robinson.
No, but John, but that's the point. No, that's the point I'm making is I am not usually interested in people's conclusions, particularly the Integrity Commission. I look at how they say they do what they do, and if I see some loopholes in it legally, I will say I don't agree with this. In the end, they withdrew and issued an addendum for Peter Bunting in relation to that investigation. So the fact that
it was the correct thing to do at the time.
But this is it. No, you can't say that. You cannot say that. You can't say in this case. I've got to go. I've heard you enough. Thank you for the call. All right. Have a great day. All right. 7615. Hello.
Hello. Good morning, Miss Shield.
Hi. Who is this?
This is Bev.
Welcome, Miss Bev.
We are changing the subject now.
Yes.
I'm talking about the evening tide home. Why is it that when people go there, they can't visit their relatives or their friends? They have to leave the things outside and take it in.
I didn't know that.
And yes, I want to know why it changed up like that and why that people cannot go in there.
When did it change, Miss Bev?
I don't know, but after late, nobody can enter in there.
What do they say? Gate. What do they say is the reason for that?
I don't know. People complaining, they go and visit their relatives and they cannot go in. They just have to leave the thing. You don't know what is happening to the people them in there. And the meals, they are hungry. You understand? They are hungry, and you cannot go in there. You can't take something for your relative. So what went on to the poor old people then?
Well, we're gonna have to find out.
I want to look into it, Miss Sheila.
You have what's the number for them, Miss Bev? But I don't understand why when you go. I'll find out. But I don't know if you go there and you're not allowed inside and you used to be allowed. Why you don't ask a question? Why has it changed?
I don't know.
Did you ask?
I didn't go up there, but friends who go up there, and I didn't really inquire. But I know that one of my relatives was up there, but she died. Okay. That is years ago. And you could go in because my niece used to go and look for her. So why is it that it changed?
Well, let me find out if it has changed, okay? Let's make contact with them. But in the future, if you go somewhere, Miss Bev, if you go somewhere, well, you didn't go.
Right.
So we don't even know if what the person is telling you is actually so.
It's true because it's more than one person.
Let me find out, okay? Let's begin from a point of complete on the 2178 morning.
Morning, church sister.
How are you, Miss Lucy?
I do fine. Morning to everybody.
Yes.
Church sister, for Monday, there is no light up a success on the region. No light now up there. There is no light up there, so you can call GPS. Okay. The next thing, last week, we put over one policeman in one crisis. The people them from foreign and some from Jamaica say you must repeat the information because they don't get it.
Okay.
Okay, and the postal agency up at Blenheim here, it need urgent fixing. I've been calling for the past 12 years. Until now, nobody now look for the postal agent. The other day, rat take with the whole of the people and pension up at the one at Dias.
Rat
take over up to the one up at Dias. When the people them up at Dias one, when they in at the post office, church sister, they have to all umbrella. The condition is bad. And that one is 15 years one fix until now nobody now look for it. The postal agency, the lady down there, the post mistress, he have to put ladder to jump cross where the gutter and the place where. The condition is very bad. And he need urgent assistance. You understand me? The post office now the town of Lucy will want little paint. The inside is so bad. I don't know how the people them working at it. And the time is so hot. Not even writing fan. No in the Lucy post office. Not even fan. One little one up there pay. The one at Lucy only pay hot here they blow. The one at there don't even fan. The lady have to carry fan the yard good and then he carry back home. The condition is bad. And they need to fix the post office them. In a Lucy, they can't do it so. It is getting out of control. It is getting out of control and they need to fix it.
Yes.
The other day I called on the radio here now. And I tell about this 101-year-old lady. Name Miss Doris Anderson. She a 101-year-old. She passed away on her birthday the other day, me put you over. She come from up a Richmond here. Her daughter go to the Lucy Christian Fellowship Church, Miss Clark. Well, she passed away. Alright. Me tell about Glenn Samuel's mother.
Yes.
Miss Icy. Miss Icy passed away too. So me say condolence to President Glenn Samuels and his family and the Seventh-day Adventists. And church sister, Sabbath coming, they went kill two little boys down here, father and son. And Lucy. Merrick, the father name, and the son name, Kit. A Kit was set. Something another, but the mother go a Lucy New Testament church of Merrick, the father name. And the son name Carl. Yes, me remember now, Carl. The son name Carl. So as Sabbath coming at the funeral, at the Lucy the Lucy New Testament Church of God out of Lords of Lucy. It really sad. Me sorry for the Madam Marlene. He lose his son and his grandson one time. It's very hearting. You understand me? And since now I used to work at Carla factory at Lucy, she passed away. So for her funeral is going to be out of Christian Fellowship, Sabbath coming. Third sister, listen to me now. I have one message to the Prime Minister. I'm going to take me leave now. Prime Minister, call a by-election of St. Anne. When this one done, call a next one. Because my mother was a very good market woman in Mount Market, Chokbala, Kingston, Moby, everywhere. And Mama said, no watch the knives at the market. She don't watch the knives at the market. She watch who must steal. She dey make. Empty barrel can't turn up. Prime Minister, as this by-election done at St. Anne, call the next one. Because let me tell you something. Are you going to win the election?
Which one?
The by-election at St. Anne and the next by-election, you must call the by-election behind one another.
It's not the by you need to be concerned about.
Look here.
Is the general.
The general is going to win the same way, I tell you.
How?
Because the green still over the orange, sister. I don't have no time to worry about that. Prime Minister don't watch the knives at the market.
What is it that the people say down there about the Integrity Commission report?
Sister, people not listen to that story because people no fool.
What them say?
Let me say to you. No go what the next chat say. You want to tell me no, the Prime Minister in our whole life in don't have $200 million and the little money what they say in a bank book and not that? Is money that? People are idiots, you know. The Prime Minister can't even help half of Jamaica with the little shilling wine got. And then they can't talk about money. People who own bank, they must know how money they ship because they ship out everybody money out of their bank account so they know about it. What me say? But I'm going to tell them, say, Matthew 7 say, pick them out of your eye before you go pick you out your brother or sister eye. They reach at a stage which part they go put artists on stage.
That pales no. That pales in comparison to what is before us.
You said they don't have no talk. I was asking you if Mr. PJ Pattis was born and grow a central flat dais with such clean record. Right it Pattis with him way up there. You should be ashamed of yourself. But Mama says shame my Lord but you kill man.
Thank you for the call.